Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and today we're exploring one of the most urgent and inspiring topics in biology: biodiversity and conservation biology. If you missed our last lecture on ecosystem structure and energy flow, you can find the full playlist linked in the description below. Here's a big question. What if half the world's species disappeared within your lifetime? How would that affect food, medicine, and even human survival? This isn't science fiction, it's a possibility. And that's why understanding biodiversity and conservation biology is so important. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity means the variety of life on Earth. It can be studied at three main levels: genetic diversity, variation within species, such as the many rice strains or human blood types; species diversity, the variety of different species in an ecosystem; ecosystem diversity, the range of habitats like forests, coral reefs, deserts, and wetlands. Biodiversity isn't just beauty, it's the foundation of ecosystem services like food, oxygen production, soil fertility, and climate regulation. Right now, biodiversity is under severe threat due to habitat destruction, deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture; climate change, altering habitats faster than species can adapt; overexploitation, overfishing, hunting, and poaching; pollution, plastics, chemicals, and oil spills; invasive species, non-native organisms outcompeting local ones. Scientists estimate we are living through the sixth mass extinction, with species disappearing at rates 100 to 1,000 times faster than normal. Conservation biology, the response. Conservation biology is the scientific study of how to protect and restore biodiversity. Strategies include protected areas, national parks, marine reserves, and wildlife sanctuaries; captive breeding and reintroduction, like bringing the California condor and Arabian oryx back from the brink of extinction; sustainable development, balancing human needs with ecosystem health; community conservation, involving local people in protecting biodiversity; global agreements, like CITES for endangered species trade and the Paris Climate Agreement. Case studies and examples. Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, its deforestation threatens global climate and countless species. Coral reefs, home to 25% of marine species but bleaching rapidly due to warming oceans. Tigers in India. Conservation projects have doubled populations in some reserves, proving recovery is possible. Why it matters in biology and society. Past. Biodiversity shaped human civilization, providing food, medicine, and raw materials. Present. Ecosystem collapse directly affects human health, security, and economies. Future. Protecting biodiversity is key to sustainable living and solving global challenges like climate change. Every organism lost is not just a number, it's a library of genetic information, ecological relationships, and potential benefits gone forever. Why watch this playlist? This playlist covers the 30 most important topics in biological sciences, blending classical biology with urgent modern issues. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or simply curious about life, these lectures connect science with the real world. So that's our exploration of biodiversity and conservation biology, the richness of life on Earth, and the urgent need to protect it. In our next lecture, we'll shift gears into microbiology with bacterial structure, genetics, and antibiotic resistance, understanding the tiny organisms that shape ecosystems, medicine, and even our daily lives. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming journey. Because once you understand biodiversity, you begin to see how protecting life on Earth means protecting our own future.